It is spring of 2025 and we're pulling the convertible out for the first time this season. And since we put it in the garage last winter, came out and about a week or two ago, the right front tire was suddenly flat. Kind of odd. So I aired it up and there's a hole in the sidewall, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I checked the tires and I restored this car. I finished it in around 2000. And of course the tires on it are date coded 2000, which makes them 25 years old, which is kind of old. Lots of tread left, but we decided now it's time. The convertible gets a fresh set of shoes on it. So we got new tires, so that's why we got the blue sidewalls. Those are going to get washed here. And of course the car just has a little bit of dust on it, so we're going to get it washed, clean the white walls, and I'll show you the situation with those tires. So here's the tire that went flat, and again I put these on when I restored it, and the date code on them was I think it was 390. Let's take a look here. There we go. Oh, 30. So it's the 30th month of 2000. So clearly these things are 24, 25 years old, and I had about 30,000 miles on them. And you look at the tread, not really bad. I mean, we took good care of them, but you get close, you see those cracks forming, and that is not good. You can see that. So this is the tire that went flat. And if you look right here between the P and the 2, this little spot right there, that's where the leak was. I went to air the tire up and it wouldn't hold air, and I ran my hand over it, and you could feel it leaking right there. And we're just going to take a little drift here, and you can see that baby goes all the way through. So obviously a sidewall failure is a total failure, but that was just on its own. Didn't hit anything, didn't have a nail go through it. That's just a tire that was past its useful life. So I should have replaced these sooner. So just a heads up to everybody, please check your date codes, and even though the tread looks good, get those tires changed. So with that, we're going to go back to cleaning on the convertible. All right, we got the sun out, so we're going to start off. We're going to rinse off these tires and get that blue off the white walls. Then we'll rinse the car down and just get that winter dust off of it. And we'll go put the top down. Now we got the tires clean. That's a good start. So now we'll rinse her down. We'll go after getting all the dust off. Can't forget about the engine. Hit the engine bay with a little simple green and a microfiber, and just get that engine film off, that little oily film. So we got that all done, so we'll rinse that off one more time and we'll start drying stuff. Okay, we got the engine washed, we got the outside washed and dried, we got the white walls clean. So next step, we're going to drop the windows, put the top down, and see if we got any dust on the interior. So she's not perfect, but pretty good for starting out the season. Might have to hit it with a little detailer as we go, but ready for our first cruise. So just a reminder, check your tires, check your date codes. I was lucky, mine went flat in the garage. Sure would have hated to have been on the road when that sidewall went out. So 25 years was way too long, and now I should be good for a long time. So with that, I'm going cruising.
You're on.
So we're off cruising. Got the car cleaned up, got the new tires on. Gonna do a quick shakedown run. Checked all the fluids, everything looks good. Go have some fun.
And here we are. First drive of the season. Woo!
Yeah, we had a nice cruise, put about 30 miles on it. Everything's running good, running fine, it feels good. So now we got to take this one out. This one's all fired up and ready to go for the season. It's always a good cruiser. And we've already had this guy out a whole bunch of times. This thing runs all season long, doing all kinds of chores. So, and last over here, well, not last, but Got to get that guy uncovered, and I got more sitting in the back. So a little more work to do, but good start to the spring. Get some good cruising in. So with that, we can drop the top, open the door, and go out anytime we want.